Hello and welcome in. I'm Sandra-Carlisle and this is my channel where we talk about AI data and storytelling to equal marketing magic. In today's short video, I want to address startup founders and entrepreneurs in creating an authentic and powerful brand message, because that's where it all starts. And we're going to do this in less than 10 minutes. So get out your paper and pencils. I'm going to share a simple yet powerful method to craft an authentic brand message that will resonate with your audience and set your business apart. In today's crowded marketplace and noisy, having a clear, genuine brand message is crucial. It's not just about what you sell or what service you provide, but why you sell what you sell and why you provide that service and how you connect with your audience, or how that why resonates with your audience. Let's dive in and discover your brand's true voice. This is before we even get into the method. Let's talk about why authenticity matters. In this age where consumers are bombarded on a daily basis, maybe even minute by minute or second by second basis, with messaging on all of their devices, authenticity and what makes you unique in the marketplace is what's going to stand out, because everything else is just noise. And if you try to be like a bigger brand that does a similar service than you do, you're just going to get mashed up in that mess. It's not going to resonate with your true audience, and it's not going to bring loyal clients to you. Authenticity builds trust. Fosters loyalty, creates a lasting connection with your audience. So when you think about some of those brands that you love, chances are they speak to you on a personal level, and that's the power of authenticity. If you're finding this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe. Word of mouth, referral, like that, or is what helps me build my channel and helps me to continue to bring videos that resonate with you. So I thank you for that in advance. And now let's get down to the 3-step method. Step 1 is to define your core values. The core values are the foundation of your brand. They're not just words on your website. They're the principles that guide every decision you make. To define your core values, 1, reflect on why you started your business. Number 2, and this is under define your core values. So number 2 under define your core values is define what you stand for beyond making a profit. Don't think about making the profit. Think about what is it that you stand for. And number 3, think about the change you want to see in the world. I want to see more color. I want to see brightness and happiness and joy and love. I would adore to see more of that in the world. So step 2, identify your unique value proposition. So your unique value proposition is what's going to set you apart from your competition. It's the intersection between what you're good at and what your customers need. So what you're good at, what your customers need. And sometimes what your competitors are not offering. So the way I built Wealthy Palette Media, the marketers were out there talking about SEO. SEO, SEO, SEO. And SEO's been around for 20 years. Hate to tell you, but SEO is dead. It's not how you're going to get noticed. It might help you rank on Google, but it's not going to get you noticed by the people who you want to do business with. And that's another video. and I'll do a video on that probably, I guess now after this, since I mentioned it. All right, so in number 2, with identifying your value proposition, this is how you do that. First, you list your strengths and your expertise. What are you good at? Number 2, research your target audience's pain points. Just use AI. Type in, ask a question. What are the pain points for someone trying to create the perfect holiday? What do they struggle with? What are the pain points in trying to be unique? Analyze what your competitors are offering and be different. Offer something else. And then within those 3 questions, number 4 is find the sweet spot. Find the spot that you can service and you can be in that's authentic to who you are and your brand. For me, I've always been different. So to find a way to be different kind of comes easy. So when you write all this stuff down, you're finding the sweet spot where all of those meet. So for instance, the company Slack, their value proposition isn't just being another messaging app. It's about making work life simpler, more pleasant, and more productive. Number 3, crafting your brand story. Your brand story is where your values and your unique value proposition come together. That's what brings your brand to life. It's not about what you do. It's about why you do it and how it impacts your customers and their life, and usually creates why they will refer you to others, which creates even more business. So that's why you want to create a great brand story. Let's get down and drill that down. Creating a brand story. You start with your why. What inspired you to create the business in the first place? Sometimes it's a negative thing. You always start with your why. Number 2 is describe the problem you want to solve. So this takes a little research. You have to research what the pain points are for the customers you want to serve or who may be looking for the service that you're going to provide. Again, it's easier than ever now with AI to just jump on and ask a bunch of questions. Explain why your solution is unique and different from your competitors. And number 4, share the impact that you're making in people's lives, because other people may resonate with that as well. Remember, great brand stories are, first of all, authentic, then relatable and emotionally engaging. They make your audience feel something. Okay, so let's just pull this all together. Now that you have your core values, your unique value proposition, and your brand story, it's time to weave them into a brand message. This message needs to be clear, concise, and consistent across all your communication avenues. Whether you're here on YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, you publicize in a local magazine, your brand message needs to be the same and consistent time after time. So let's use the example of Warby Parker for brand messaging. They are an eyeglass company that make very stylish, affordable eyewear. Their brand message effectively combines their values of social consciousness and style and affordability into their story. Those were their values. That was the value proposition. And the impact of having an authentic brand. What is that? What is the impact? What is the impact of having that brand message? Well, it's authentic, it's relatable, and who doesn't want an affordable, stylish pair of glasses? When you have to wear glasses, that's what you're looking for. You don't want something humdrum. You want something that's going to resonate with who you are and what your brand is. It's part of what people see every day if you have to wear glasses. This is how an authentic brand message can transform a business. It can, 1, attract the right customers. 2, increase customer loyalty. 3, differentiate you from your competitors. 4, guide your marketing efforts. Once you have that message, all your marketing can be consistent across all your channels and you will get noticed. And 5, inspire your team through that message. Talk about your brand. Your employees can be your best supporters. And lastly, as your business evolves, so should your brand message. The key is to stay true to your core values and that unique value proposition that you created in the beginning. You can change wording, you can change styles. You just have to stay within the core messaging. So in conclusion, creating an authentic brand doesn't have to be complicated. By following this 3 simple step method, defining your core values, identifying your unique value proposition, and crafting your brand story, you can develop a message that truly resonates with your audience. Remember, authenticity is about being true to who you are as a business. It's about connecting with your audience on a deeper level to make an impact. At Wealthy Palette Media, we're passionate about helping startups like yours shine. We're offering a free brand review to help you refine your message and maximize your impact so that you can get a fresh start in 2025. Don't miss this opportunity to get experts' insights. Not only expert insights with all the research and all the data that AI has to offer. Insights that will be tailored to your business, your brand message, and your story. Book for a free brand review by clicking the link in the message box below. Also, let me know what you think of this video. If you have other information to share with others and/or have a question to ask, I'm open and very happy to help. Thank you again for listening. Here's to your authentic brand success in 2025.